The XiaoTun Underwater Jetpack is a revolutionary device for divers and ocean lovers. Worn like a backpack, it uses two powerful electric jets that provide up to 200 newtons of thrust, letting you move smoothly underwater. It can reach speeds of 5.4 kilometers per hour and dive as deep as 20 meters, turning regular dives into exciting adventures. Powered by a 15,000 mAh battery, it runs for up to 90 minutes. You can control it manually or use the AI cruise mode, which reacts to your body movements. Perfect for filming marine life or enjoying hands-free swimming, it makes underwater exploration feel futuristic. The Bell Nexus is a hybrid electric VTOL aircraft first shown on January 7, 2019 at CES. It features 6 large ducted fans, 3 on each side, for vertical and forward flight. The middle rotors are on the main high wing, and the fans can tilt from vertical to horizontal for directional thrust. Landing skids have small wheels for easy movement. 2 versions are planned, one for a pilot and a passenger, and another for 6 passengers. The current model seats a pilot and 4 passengers. It can reach 155 knots, 288 kilometers per hour, fly 130 nautical miles, 241 kilometers, weighs 6,000 pounds, and fits in a 40 x 40 feet space. The Volonaut Airbike is a real-life flying bike that looks like something from Star Wars. Instead of traditional propellers, it uses jet-powered thrust for an exciting open-air ride with full 360-degree views. Created by Thomas Baton, who also made the Jetson 1, it's extremely lightweight at just 30 to 40 kilograms and can reach speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour. Made from sleek carbon fiber with no enclosed cockpit, it's designed for speed and agility, perfect for flying through forests or tight spaces. Tested successfully in real flights, it's set to launch soon, bringing personal flying and sci-fi dreams closer to reality. Pop up next is a fully electric, zero-emission modular transport system designed to reduce traffic congestion in big cities. Created by Idle Design for its 50th anniversary, it looks ahead to future urban challenges and offers innovative transport solutions. The concept blends a small, 2-seat ground vehicle with a VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing air unit, giving the flexibility of driving with the speed of flying. The Crua Modus is more than just a tent. It's a full camping system designed for comfort and flexibility. It works as a tent, sleeping bag, air mattress, bug screen, rain cover, picnic blanket, and even a hammock. The rain cover can be tied between trees, and several Modus units can connect to make a bigger shelter. The air mattress inflates by itself, and the sleeping bag uses special graphene-infused fabric to keep you warm. Whether you want to relax under the stars or sleep comfortably, the Crua Modus is perfect for campers who want ease and usefulness. In 2019, it retailed fully priced. The XiaoTun e-wagon is a powerful electric cart designed to make moving heavy items easy on any terrain. It can carry up to 180 pounds, perfect for camping, beach trips, gardening, or home projects. Its all-terrain wheels handle sand, gravel, grass, and uneven paths smoothly, while the rechargeable battery provides hours of continuous use. The handlebar control system makes it simple to steer, even on steep slopes. Foldable and compact, it's easy to store and transport. This smart, versatile wagon is ideal for anyone who needs extra hauling power with less effort, making outdoor and household tasks far more convenient. Hassel and EOC have designed a smart Mars habitat that could help people live on the red planet. Built to handle Mars's tough conditions, like strong radiation and dust storms, the shelter is safe, comfortable, and practical. It uses 3D printing and Martian soil to reduce the need for materials from Earth. The habitat has a modular design, making it easy to build and expand. Inside, there are connected pods with sleeping areas, workspaces, airlocks, and shared living spaces. It also features indoor gardens to grow food and clean the air, plus advanced life support and flexible layouts for changing mission needs. The SciFly Q12 is a high-performance drone built for industrial and public safety use. It can fly for up to 3 hours, cover 90 miles, and carry 10 pounds of equipment like cameras or sensors. Its modular design supports tasks such as inspections, mapping, and emergency response. With advanced autonomy and 5G, it streams real-time data and operates beyond visual range with minimal human control. The DTV Raptor is a tough, all-terrain vehicle combining skateboard agility with tank power. Using dual tracks, it handles sand, snow, mud, and rocks. Compact yet powerful, it's ideal for military, tactical, and extreme recreation. The Oxbow 9120 is a modern machine made to harvest raspberries, especially those meant for quick freezing, IQF. It was built with advice from experts to protect the fruit from damage. The Orber picking system gently collects ripe berries, while a special cleaning system removes dirt without harming the fruit. The machine also has large storage for full and empty flats, a side platform for better control and view, and can turn easily in tight spaces. It's designed to keep fruit quality high during harvest. The starting price for the Oxbow 9120 is around $275,000. The YEU S1 Smart Lock is a smart and convenient door lock with 8 different ways to unlock it. You can use your phone, fingerprint, or a password, making it very flexible. It connects to Wi-Fi, so you can control it from anywhere and let guests in even if you are not at home. The lock is waterproof, so it works well outdoors. The Mahindra Thar.E is an electric SUV set to launch in India in August 2026. It's a 5-door version of the popular Thar and will run on a 60-kilowatt battery with 2 electric motors, one on each axle, giving it an estimated range of 400 kilometers per charge. It supports fast charging, reaching 80% in just 30 minutes. The Thar.E will look similar to the regular Thar, but with EV-specific touches like a closed grille, blue accents, and new alloy wheels. The Sukhoi Su-57 is Russia's advanced 5th-generation stealth fighter, built for air dominance. It combines speed, stealth, and extreme agility to outperform rivals. With a low radar signature, internal weapon bays, and thrust vectoring engines, it can fly faster than Mach 2 and has a combat range of about 1,100 kilometers. Its advanced avionics, sensor fusion, and AI-assisted targeting give pilots superior battlefield awareness. The Su-57 can perform air-to-air, air-to-ground, and electronic warfare missions. Unlike many fighters, it doesn't just match Western stealth jets. It rivals them with its power, maneuverability, and presence, making it a powerful, long-range combat aircraft. The AI Trail Quattro by Audi is a modern, electric off-road car made for adventure enthusiasts who want to explore tough terrains in an eco-friendly way. It combines advanced technology with sustainability, offering a driving range of up to 400 miles on regular roads and 155 miles off-road. Its design includes wide panoramic glass, giving passengers a great outdoor view. One unique feature is its drone lighting system, which replaces standard headlights. While the price hasn't been revealed, the cutting-edge technology suggests it will be on the higher side. Audi has tackled issues like battery life and off-road performance by adding adaptive features and tough materials. As these technologies evolve, the AI Trail Quattro aims to deliver a fun, eco-friendly off-road experience, mixing style, comfort, and sustainability for outdoor adventurers. The Black Hawk helicopter is getting major upgrades to match today's military needs. It now has a T91 engine that gives 50% more power and better fuel use, so it can fly longer, carry more weight, and handle extreme conditions. Collins Aerospace is adding a modular design, making it easier to upgrade avionics, sensors, and mission systems. New features include predictive maintenance, autonomous flight support, and drone launch capability. These changes make the Black Hawk more advanced and powerful in battle.